In today's video, we're going to take a look at what we consider to be the 3 best air fryers available on the market today in our opinion. You'll find links to each in the description box below. Please, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment if you found this video helpful. First up is the COSORI Turbo Blaze 9-in-1 air fryer. Picture a sleek, gray box about the size of a microwave, sitting neatly under countertop, ready to whip up crispy wings or a small pizza with minimal oil. This 6-quart air fryer offers 9 cooking functions: air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, frozen, proof, reheat, and toast, with a temperature range of 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for precise cooking. Its turbo blaze technology and DC motor make it 30% faster than most air fryers, delivering a batch of fries in under 10 minutes without preheating. The basket is PFAS-free and dishwasher-safe, and it comes with 30 chef-curated recipes to get you started. Users love its quiet operation and ease of use, with one saying they've made everything from salmon to sun-dried tomatoes, all with crispy results and easy cleanup thanks to the removable basket. The digital display is intuitive, pausing automatically when you pull out the basket to check or shake food. The catch is that its 6-quart capacity is best for small households, 2 to 4 people, and larger families might find it limiting for bigger meals. Some users note it's a bit bulky for tiny kitchens, taking up about 11 by 14 inches of counter space. It's a versatile, budget-friendly choice for singles or small families who want a fast, easy-to-clean air fryer for healthier meals. Next, let's check out the Typhur Dome 2 Smart Digital Air Fryer. Imagine a futuristic, black dome-shaped appliance, slightly larger than a bread box, with a sleek digital touch screen that looks like it belongs in a sci-fi kitchen. This extra-large air fryer boasts a 12.7-quart capacity, fitting up to 32 chicken wings or a 12-inch pizza, perfect for family gatherings or parties. It offers 15 cooking modes, including air fry, roast, bake, and dehydrate, with superior airflow for even, crispy results. The self-cleaning feature is a standout. Just add water and detergent for hands-off clean, and the PFAS-free basket is dishwasher-safe for extra ease. It's app-connected, letting you control settings or access recipes via your phone, and users rave about its large capacity, with one noting it handles 3 bags of Costco wings with room to spare. The design is quieter than traditional air fryers, and the 400 degrees Fahrenheit maximum temperature ensures golden, crunchy food. The downside is its price and its size, which demands significant counter space, about 16 by 16 inches, making it less ideal for small kitchens. Some users mention the app can be finicky, requiring a strong Wi-Fi connection. This is a premium pick for larger households or entertainers who want a high-tech, high-capacity air fryer with minimal cleanup hassle. Finally, we have the Emeril Lagasse extra-large French door air fryer toaster oven combo. Picture a shiny, stainless steel appliance with elegant French doors, like a mini oven that takes center stage under counter. This 26-quart beast combines 24 cooking functions: air fry, bake, roast, broil, rotisserie, slow cook, toast, and more, making it a true kitchen multitasker. It can handle a 12-inch pizza, 6 slices of toast, or a whole rotisserie chicken, serving 4 to 6 people. The 360 degrees air crisp technology uses superheated air for crispy results with up to 80% less fat, and it comes with 7 accessories, including a baking tray, air fry basket, and rotisserie spit. Users love its versatility, with one saying they've baked perfect pizzas and air-fried juicy wings, while the French doors and interior light make monitoring easy. The controls are user-friendly, with 25 presets to simplify cooking, and the trays are dishwasher-safe for quick cleanup. The catch is its size, about 16 by 15 inches, which can dominate smaller counters, and some users find it takes longer to preheat than basket-style air fryers. A few note the stainless steel shows fingerprints, requiring frequent wiping. It's ideal for families or home chefs who want a single appliance to replace multiple kitchen gadgets. There you have it, 3 air fryer toaster oven combos with links in the description box below to the product pages where you can check out more details and photos. I hope this helps you find the perfect air fryer. Please, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment if you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for our next video. Happy cooking!